welcome our chief guest of the day, Honorable Mr. Justice F.M. Ibrahim Khalifullah sir, former Judge of Supreme Court of India. It's a great pleasure to welcome you to our campus. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. I also take this opportunity to welcome our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Additional Registrar, all the deans, directors, faculty members, staff members, and my dear students and other well-wishers. It's a great and joyous occasion as we celebrate our 78th Independence Day. I would like to make a very brief profile, read out the profile of our Honorable Chief Justice. Justice F.M. Ibrahim Khalifullah was born on 23rd July 1951 in Tiruchi, Manadi, and is a native of Karaikudi, Sivaganga district. Sir enrolled as an advocate on 20th August 1975, after which he began practicing labor law in the law firm of T.S. Gopalan and Co. On March 2nd, 2000, he was appointed as a permanent judge of the Madras High Court. In February 2011, he was transferred to the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and later functioned as the acting Chief Justice. In September 2011, he was sworn in as the Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. On 2nd April 2012, he was elevated to the Supreme Court of India, sworn in by Chief Justice Sarosh Bomi Kapadi. Justice Khalifullah retired from the Supreme Court of India on 22nd July 2016. On 8th March 2019, a 5-judge constitutional bench referred Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi Babri disputed structure land dispute case to mediation for amicable settlement. The bench, headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, appointed a 3-member panel to act as mediators. The panel, the prestigious panel, was headed by none other than former Supreme Court Judge Justice F.M. Ibrahim Khalifullah with Sri Ravi Shankar and Mrs. Sri Ram Panchal. It's such a great honor that we have an eminent person like Sir, and it's us eagerly waiting to hear this address on us in this auspicious day. I don't want to take much of your time. Just want to quote John F. Kennedy, who said, "Ask not what the country did to you, ask what you did to your country." Thank you very much.